over here. Mike is wearing the free. What's this shirt? Something. I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3. Fully paint smile. One more, sir.
Wait lang, I'm gonna do a video. Oh, there. He's gonna be a model. He's gonna be a model of that motorcycle.
It's gonna be kind of hard.
Yeah, we can take it at home. That's a proof.
YouTube channel or Facebook page?
I have a Facebook but we also have a YouTube. We just started. Yeah, I can write it down if you want to join. We need followers.
Search YouTube channel, sir.
It's Michael space Johnson. And that's music to motion. Yeah, just started.
Unsubscribe.
I need to dig a better name. No. I'm hard to find.
No, music to motion, and then Michael Johnson. Yeah, space and then Michael Johnson.
No. Michael check.
You're the one who hold this and gonna want to.
You know, but I need to come up with a better YouTube name.
Ready. Brand new ADV.
All right.
Ano yung R3 nyo?
We have the receipt.
This is your receipt,
All right.
and then this is the change, 500 pesos.
Okay, thank
you
you.
so much, sir.
Thank
and
you.
this is your coupon.
Yep. All right.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy your new motorcycle.
Oh, I'm hope. All right. I guess need to peel the plastic off. You still can't find it?
The followers have increased more and more.
I'm hoping, but I need to make it. I need to make it easier to find.
Maybe what's your
a
Facebook
process.
account? Michael Johnson, right?
Just Michael Johnson. Yeah.
Where is the...
I'm gonna go put the paperwork in your bag. Okay.
Hindi makita, tinan mo. Bakit?
So the paperwork goes in the bag until we get home. We'll organize it. Get a temporary helmet because I didn't have a helmet. But it's not a full. It doesn't have the. It's not a full face. All right. Still can't find?
Kasi sa akin, hindi bakit yan pa? I can search your, I can search your Facebook account. I don't know why.
Reactivate? No.
I don't know what happened. She's nervous. Yeah.
I'm gonna put it here all
Okay.
the way also.
It'll get me home. Yeah, I see there's a lot of
You want to buy a helmet, sir, in my youngster, the shop?
You know-
It's a shop.
you know, a good one.
Yeah.
Maybe
Ano, we're gonna
if I'm
go.
gonna, huh?
You're gonna need to find the new one.
Yeah, I better.
Because if you're gonna bump here in the ano, your
Doon sa
head, you're
nasa
gonna
baba
break.
namin.
Yes, sa baba.
All
It's only
right.
for me. Or maybe I can hold it when I get what's this upset with you. It's easy for me to put it on your head.
Kasi nakasale
Well, that's better than the slipper.
Yeah.
You know,
I,
the slipper.
I don't need to draw the
All right,
slipper
thank
to
you.
the head.
There, the road is slippery.
See
Yeah.
you next time. Maybe next time.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
I'll be very, very careful.
Sir, your ADV, 160 fully paid.
Get the plastic off.
You also have a TikTok page, sir? TikTok page, you also have?
Yeah, I need to.
Yung ano, yung manual.
So what's that?
Hindi na.
Naki, ma'am. Your please, sir. I gave you.
Yeah.
Your please.
Give me your ano na lang extra ano your wallet here, so maybe gonna fall when
Okay.
you're driving. So it's better because your ano is there, your license and all that. Oh, give the change. I have the 500. Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, of course. Uh-huh.
Wow. Okay. I'm so adjusted.
Oh, up and down.
Hindi, ano po? Ano ba?
Ah, yeah. All right. Do you have a trash can?
If you have a sticker, you can put a sticker for your vlog.
So when we leave here, we have to go that way and turn.
Sorry, sir?
We have to go out that way and then turn around. Or we just boom.
Hindi na makaya yan with ano.
Alright.
Ano po, umuulan?
What?
It's
what?
raining hard now
Yeah,
too.
it's raining. So what?
All right. Well, I'm gonna end the video, and
It's raining.
I guess you'll know if I don't upload anything else. I didn't make it. Take care, everyone.